gang, gang. We got our little gang here. It's little Sia's birthday. And we cooked her breakfast. She's got a smoothie. Good on her. V. We got Molly girl who just comes to use and abuse.
What's up, guys? It's your girl, Molly.
Yeah, you guys haven't heard that in a minute. Oh my gosh, my face is getting slimmer. Can you guys tell? If you can tell, please comment down below to give me some encouragement with this diet. But I'm having a smoothie like every single day, right? And my face is getting so clear. Like, I used to wake up a lot with like oily skin because I used to eat a lot of oily foods. And oh yeah, we were. What time did you come? Yeah, girl, we were doing the countdown at Mount Ainsley for the 18th. And then when she turned 18, she did her birthday dance. If you guys don't follow me on my Snapchat, stop what you're doing and go and follow me. My username is right down here. Feel free to add me. What are y'all Snapchats? I'll drop your link in. Oh, okay. And if you want to follow Tua_Malai, I'll have it down below. I'll have Sia's one down below. What's it? Nah, don't worry about it. Nah, don't worry about it. Just Tua. Well, do you guys want to eat? Tell me what you guys want to eat. I'll give you a bite.
No, don't do a palangi bite. Do a fob bite. A fob bite's like.
You viewers are gonna eat it already. And look what I'm eating. Oh,
It's really spicy.
look how beautiful that is.
What's it?
It's a raspberry in there.
Oh nah, it's a strawberry.
Well, she would know the difference.
What? What happened?
Look, can you have your glasses on?
Yeah, I can see it.
Oh my gosh, my hair looks so ugly.
You want a sock skill?
I'm the one.
Sock skill.
Excuse me, Siaosi, we just finished church.
You want a worse sock skill?
You're like, who?
Worse, boy, worse! Ow.
Can you shut up, Siaosi? So feel poco.
And so guys. Oh my gosh, who is this snack? You know what I'm saying? My gap tooth, you know what I'm saying? They're in a long distance relationship, you know what I'm saying? So y'all, yo, what the frick did I just do? We're waiting for some checks. So we're waiting for Siaosi to come back. But like, I got a massive double check. Hey? So everyone go comment below happy birthday to Queen. Well, here, oh yeah, over here. Yes, so yeah. They're shouting me my birthday lunch. Not step 4. I'm shouting. I'm shouting because like rich gang over here, like, you know what I'm saying? Oh my god.
Talk to the camera before you're wasting
Guys, I'm gonna go to the hospital and cut this. This is my birthday present. Like get the slim, you know what I'm saying?
She's not being nice to everyone.
What is he doing? Aren't you waiting for some food and I'm so hungry? Where did you get your gaming?
In the toilet.
How many games do you have?
2.
Oh, okay.
So actually know what
Why do you look like a grandpa? Why?
look like
Us? You look like a what? A what? A snack? No.
a damn boy.
Did you hear what he said, Victoria? What did he say? I said, what do you like about Victoria? What was his answer? He's got nothing. What do you say? How does that make your inner body feel? It makes my inner body shiver.
I said it makes my inner body shiver.
Inner body shiver?
What up, gang gang? Oh my gosh, my hair actually looks kind of nice like here.
Can I say something?
It looks so puffy.
Comment down below happy birthday because you better. And if you feel like in your heart the Lord has touched you to send me a present, my address is down here. Sorry, address down here on the post. Yeah, send me some stuff. I like shoes, like
Grandma Auntie's run.
Auntie, grandpa. Look, guys, to the birthday girl.
You yell or something.
What is up, guys? Gang gang! Happy Easter to everyone. Siaosi and I just finished doing a challenge. Well, I don't know, guys. I'm gonna try and get the vlog up first, but if you see the challenge first, then whatever. So Siaosi did not tell me that I look beautiful today.
Yeah, you look beautiful today. But you didn't tell me I'm look cool.
Because you look cool, honey.
Yeah, I'm look cool.
So Siaosi's birthday is coming up very, very soon.
Yep.
And I don't really know
What to get for me?
And if y'all have any ideas about what we should do or what we should get for him, DM me. Hi. You already just said. You already just said.
If you guys like me, send me some presents.
But he's low-key
No,
serious.
no,
He's
guys.
low-key serious. So we're about to go to my parents' house. And yeah, if you have any ideas, can you please DM me, Snapchat me, or private message me on our... No, actually, don't private message me on that page because he has access to it too.
$5 in my pocket.
Fuck, are we so burro merfa?
Sorry guys, don't worry about the presents. Yeah, I'm just kidding. Guys, comment down below and say if Victoria bought some best presents for me.
What's here? Shut up.
Comment if you could have bought some $1 million present for me, or if you could have bought some $5 present for me.
Yeah, it's gonna be $5,
Oh.
boy. Okay, guys, so look at my hair. It's a little bit fluffy. I just got out of the shower, you know what I'm saying? I just want you to know, if you watch that video and you got something bad to say about it, then y'all can exit this right now. We just finished church, came to KFC because it's one of the few restaurants that are open. I got 3/4 of my squad here.
Soft.
And yep,
Hi guys.
I think my face is looking slimmer.
Losing that double chin. Boy, my double chin is coming in like. Are you going committed?
I never heard that terminology for a double chin. Is your double chin committed?
Yeah.
Is it loyal to you? Is it by your side?
Is it connected? Yeah. Connected to your neck. Yeah.
Is it a part of you
Yes.
for life?
Does it got your back?
And your glutes? Look how beautiful our view is in our hotel room. No, it's still coming. Just kidding. Obviously, we're just eating. Just the usual.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, yours is so nice, girl. Hers looks so healthy.
Taste my. I'm right here.
Aussie, go get mine. I'm hungry.
Vicky, ma, are you?
You got black bean.
Ew.
Yum.
Yeah, black bean and itchy.
Can they bring mine out?
Wanna taste mine?
No, I'm gonna taste Aussie's.
Look at my food. Whoa, it tastes pretty.
Wow, kayo pera. Kalau busog na ito, ay masak may iba ya.
I asked you, you didn't want to.
Wala ka ungan lang yan.
I can trust you.
Wala?
Oh, yours is a bit spicy, Aussie.
Oh, I like
May lang spicy.
Also,
May lang spicy nga.
Turn it around. Hi. My food is great.
I don't like this stew.
My food's alright.
Okay, I'll have your chicken.